Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to split page horizontally with column in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs app. Then firstly go to the file menu and go to the page setup and choose portrait and press OK. Then go to the format menu and go to the column and go to the more column. Then you can see here a number of column. Now click number of column drop down menu and select 3. Then click line between column and press apply. Click the cursor and click right on your mouse and select the text and press right on your mouse and you can see here are page change page landscape. Now click change page to landscape. Now here we can see spelled page horizontally with column in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.